In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Earth for everyone in Google Workspace. This process is quite straightforward and should take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. Follow along as I guide you through each step. Firstly, you'll need to access Google Workspace. This platform is where you'll manage all of your organization's Google services. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the admin console. This console is the central hub where you can manage settings and permissions for your entire organization, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email. It's crucial to use an administrator account for this process, as it has the necessary permissions to make changes to app settings. After entering your email, click Next and proceed to enter your password. Once you're logged into the admin console, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google Apps menu. This menu is typically represented by a grid icon and provides quick access to all the apps available to your organization. From the Google Apps menu, select the admin icon. Clicking on this icon will take you into a more detailed admin interface where you can manage various aspects of your Google Workspace account. The next step is to click on Apps. This section is where all your organization's applications are listed, giving you control over how and when they can be used. Within the Apps section, click on Additional Google Services. These services include all the extra applications that Google offers beyond the core suite, such as Google Earth. Now, from the list of additional services, locate Google Earth. Click on it to access its specific settings. Google Earth is a powerful tool for exploring the globe and can be a valuable asset for presenting data visually, so enabling it for your team is a great move. After selecting Google Earth, you will need to turn on its service status. This action activates the app across your organization, making it accessible to all users. Ensure you review any associated settings or permissions to confirm they align with your organization's policies. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This step is critical as it confirms and applies the changes you've made, ensuring Google Earth is available to everyone in your domain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned on Google Earth for your entire organization within Google Workspace. Whether your team uses it for educational purposes, project planning, or just exploring the globe, enabling Google Earth is a simple way to enhance their experience with the vast array of tools that Google Workspace offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.